Okay guys, you ready for the reveal? Boom, look at that. Whew. That thing is filthy. My opinion, of course. Love the wheels, killer design. You got a nice little stance to them. Totally changes the look of the bike over those stock factory wheels. Get a good look at her there. Jeez. She looks mean now. Okay, and we did get some shots of her rolling. Ride's nice and straight. No wobbles to it. Riding it, you would never know there's anything different about it. Anyways, there you go, guys. It's Bill with BLR Tuning. That's my installation video for the brand new PPA wheels. Again, these are the black with the machine face. As of right now, sold out, but they will be back on the market soon. You better jump on it when they come back. This is a killer deal. Hey, again, all links are in the description below the video. You guys make sure you hit the subscribe button if you enjoy my content. I try to put out the best work that I can for you guys. You know, and I care about each one of my subscribers. They mean the world to me. I'm always willing to pick up the phone and help anybody out if they got questions. Anyways, there you go, guys. I got some shots of the bike rolling, so I'm gonna roll that out with a little bit of music. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.